If your Gmail inbox is overflowing and you want a fast way to clear it out, this video is going to show you exactly how to delete all Gmail emails in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to start fresh, clean up old messages, or remove thousands of emails without going through them one by one. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, enter your Gmail account details and log in. Once you're inside Gmail, go to your inbox or the specific email category you want to clean up, like primary, promotions, or social. Now, look at the very top left above your emails and click the checkbox. This is the main Select All checkbox, and it will select the emails currently shown on the page. After that, Gmail may only select the first batch of emails visible on the screen. So if you see an option to select all conversations in that folder, click that as well. This is the important step if you want to delete everything in bulk instead of just a small portion. Once all the emails are selected, click the trash icon at the top. Gmail will move those emails into the trash folder immediately. At this stage, the emails are not permanently deleted yet. So if you made a mistake, you still have a chance to recover them from trash. Now, if your goal is to permanently delete them, go to the left side menu and click Trash. Inside the trash folder, look for the option that says Empty Trash Now. Click that and Gmail will permanently remove all the emails in trash. Keep in mind that once you empty the trash, the emails are gone for good. So make sure you really want to delete them before confirming. If you only want to clear your inbox but keep a backup for a little while, you can stop after moving them to trash. But if you want a full cleanup, emptying the trash is the final step. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete all Gmail emails quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple how-to guide.